everybody, it's that time of month again. We got our loot crate. I do have to say one small thing. I am not at my apartment. I am at my mom's house, so it's a little awkward. I haven't recorded in this space before, but we're going to get right into this box, see what's inside. This is July's box. The theme is Futuristic, and let's see what goodies we got inside. I'll let you guys have a peek first. Alright, let's dig right in. First we're going to look at the t-shirt. You guys can see it first. There we go. Let's see. Husband's going to be jealous. He loves Rick and Morty, but the shirt's too big for him. But I enjoy the show too, so I'll get nice comfy wear out of it. That's going to be fun. Alright, let's see what's next. We got a little Mega Man. It's a mystery box. Now, I didn't really play a lot of Mega Man growing up, but Dan has played, and he really enjoys Mega Man. So we'll see who we get in the box. If I don't know who it is, I do apologize. And like I said, I know it's a little Mega Man. I don't know what kind of suit this is of his. I just normally see him in the blue one. I'll probably be giving this to Dan. Real cute. Yep. Next, we have a little miniature of the spaceship from Futurama. I like this box, it's really cool looking. Oops. I don't have any scissors up here. There we go. There's the ship. Okay, I dropped the base. Give me 1 second. Okay. So this goes right in here. There we go. And it actually looks like it's held on with magnets. It just clicks on like that. And the little stand has the logo on both sides. Let's see what's next. So Star Trek Next Generation. Let's see what it is. A magnet? No, it's a sticker. Alright. I don't know if you'll be able to see because I'm using the plastic film on it, but it's the USS Enterprise placard. Okay. And I think this is the last thing. It's a comic. I probably won't. I might read it. I don't know what it is. I'll have to open it up later and give it a read. See what it's like. That is the fire horn of the fire station that's across the street from us here. And then this month's pin. Oh, I'm going to take it out of the plastic. When it's in the plastic, it's really hard for the camera to pick it up. There we go. It's really fun. I like it. Now, as usual, every box comes with a little booklet that tells you a little bit more about the items. Thing I first opened to is a little color page, so it's actually kind of fun. It's a little different. Yep, that's all that's in here really. It's just them talking about different characters and other things about the box. Okay, and as usual, the box will fold out, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll speed this bit up so you don't have to watch me struggle too long. Alright, this is what it looks like. Nothing super exciting, but it's still fun to see. Alrighty guys. Overall, I really like this box. There's a lot of things in here that I really do enjoy. And if I don't enjoy it, my husband will. But out of the boxes I've gotten recently, I think this one is one of my favorites from this year. I will definitely be wearing that shirt. It looks super comfy, and I love the design of it. The Futurama ship will get a nice little spot on my shelf once I get home from vacation. And the little Mega Man will look nice next to the Pip-Boy bobblehead on my husband's desk. And the USS Enterprise sticker will either go to my father-in-law or to my husband, and they'll find a fun place for that as well. The comic I'll give a read, see how I enjoy it. It is a first issue, so why not give it a chance? And that's about it for this go-around. I'll get back to you guys next month with another Loot Crate. Thank you all for watching, and remember to stay creative.
Thank you.